Hey y'all, welcome back. It's your girl Iman from by Iman Akilah, and welcome back to this week's fashion design vlog. Today is Sunday. I don't even know the date. I think it's March 27th. It's March 27th, and I am in the studio reorganizing because it is a hot fucking mess in here. So I'm just gonna scan the room so you can see all that is going on. So I am working on that. And once I'm finished doing that, then I'm going to start cutting patterns. I need to do a new dress design. I have a custom order I need to do. And yeah, so let's get into it. Welcome back. It is Monday, March 28th, and your girl has finished cleaning up the space. So really proud of that. Put my TV back on the wall, so when I'm in my hair, my late nights, I can, handle that. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour. I'm also going to use our pattern paper today. We're gonna use our dress form, and we're gonna draft us a new dress, and it's gonna be our April dress. We got a whole bunch of fabric to get through. I'm excited about that. We're going to make us some samples. It's going to be a productive day. I feel it in my bones. We're going to have productivity. So let's make it great. Good morning, y'all. It is Tuesday, March 29th, and today I got some stuff I need to finish up. I need to run to the post office, so we're gonna have us a productive day. I want to tell y'all about this serger right here. So my great aunt, this serger belonged to my great aunt on my granddad's side. We call her Auntie May, and her daughter sewed really well. She had a stroke, but she passed this serger down to me. And it's a family heirloom. She told me never to sell it, never to give away. Well, y'all, I cannot for the life of me find the pedal for the serger. I can't find it online. I can't find it anywhere. I found a seller and purchased it, and he sent me the wrong pedal and then proceeded to refund me because he could not find the pedal. So I am looking for a JCPenney 7015A serger pedal. If you can find it, please post the link for me. Help me find it, y'all. I really want to be able to use the serger that was been passed down to me from my family as I am creating all of your products. So let me know if y'all can find that. And I got these products today because I am going to have a photo shoot. So I like to say that our products are good for birthdays, bachelorette parties, all of that. So we are going to decorate, and we're going to set up and take pictures for this photo shoot. The theme is going to be bachelorette and birthday. And I'm pretty excited about it. So we're gonna do that today. Hey y'all, and it is Thursday. I definitely did a vlog yesterday, but I just forgot to tell y'all what day it was. Today is Thursday. I am, of course, in the studio, and we just added, I like to say we, it makes me feel like it's more than one person on my team, but really, y'all, it's just me. I just added my our headband to our website, and it's free on the site, y'all. So if you're watching this YouTube video, go to our website, search headband, and get yourself a free headband, okay? All you have to do is pay for shipping. It's free, it's all yours. I'm super excited about that because I just want to give back to y'all. So add that headband to your order. Some things, I'm looking at the board because there's some things I want to tell y'all. I spent all day yesterday, which was Wednesday, just organizing the business, reflecting on what went wrong in March, what I could have done differently. And I'm actually going to do a video about that next week. But I spent all day yesterday just like really analyzing my data and seeing like where we went wrong in the month of March, because I did not unfortunately hit my sales goal. But I did show up. I showed up consistently. We grew our TikTok from 160 people. I think right now we're like at 2,100 on TikTok. I did not grow my YouTube page as much as I wanted to. We only grew like maybe 10 people in March, but definitely focus on YouTube growth in April. We are releasing a new dress every 15th of the month, so I'm excited. Come tomorrow, we have 15 days worth of content that is all focused on the new dress that we're releasing. This dress is actually named after one of our customers who has been a loyal customer to us. I will announce that tomorrow. I don't want to announce it yet. I'll announce that in April. I'm actually going to announce it at the end, like on the 15th. I will announce the name of that dress. We are doing a print of the month. So starting tomorrow, we'll have our print of the month every month. Tomorrow's print is this adorable print. Do y'all see this? This is our April print. So our prints are actually every month. We're going to release a print. So if you know us, you know that all of our pieces, we have, you know, a limited styles, but all of our dresses are all available in different colors. So we have yellow, we have white, we have teal, we have denim, we have red, we have baby pink, hot pink. We have, did I say white? We have lavender. Lavender is my favorite. But we have all of those different colors, and now we are releasing all of our pieces in a print as well. Y'all, I'm excited about this. So I'm going to show you all that print in April. So we have our print of the month. And the fun thing about our print of the month, all of our dresses, as you know, all of our dresses are made to order. So we only have enough print fabric, depending on which dress you order. We can only make about 15 to 20 dresses. So that is a custom print. But you can only get it if you pre-order it, of course. And depending on which dress you order, like, of course, our Lolo Pop dress, just because of the sleeves and how crazy the sleeves are, that dress only, we can probably, if we only make all Lolo dresses, we could probably make 12 in the fabric, right? So if you want this print, which will drop in April tomorrow, then you want to make sure that you just go ahead and order early. That is our print of the month. Once that print of the month is sold out, we will not restock it. Of course, all of our colors, we always are stocking our colors, but you can only get that print of the month during that print, and once it sells out, it's sold out. Okay, another update that I want to give you all, we are releasing our birthday box and our Miss to Mrs. box. So a lot of people, what I've seen, just paying attention to our data, like I said, what I've focused on and what I have seen is that a lot of people purchase our dresses for their birthdays. So how do we make that better? How do we make that experience better? Because you all are purchasing our dresses for different celebrations. So starting next month, we will release our birthday box. So you'll be able to get a birthday crown that says birthday queen. We have a birthday sash, and we have a birthday card that I'm writing just to you all. We have gift wrapping that's just for you. And we are also making these shot glasses that say it's my birthday. So super excited about that. And then we also have our Miss to Mrs. box. So a lot of people buy our white dresses for their bachelorette weekend, and we have some new dresses that are releasing, or a new dress for May that you can wear for a bridal shower. It's a longer dress. It's really, really pretty. Not giving y'all a sneak peek yet, but you'll be able to wear that to your bridal shower if you wanted to. So that dress specifically, and then all of our dresses in white, like this one in white is gorgeous to wear like bachelorette weekend or even bridal shower. One of our customers, Shannon, wore our dress for her wedding, which was amazing to see. But we have our Miss to Mrs. box. That Miss to Mrs. box comes with a veil. It comes with a bachelorette crown. It comes with a bridal sash, and of course it comes with a shot glass as well. So we are super excited about these new initiatives. And then we have our headbands and our hairpins that we released today. They're on the website now, but those are also available now. So we got some big changes that are coming to by Iman Akilah. I'm excited about them. I spent this week really just analyzing what we did not do well, or what I did not do well in March, and how I can improve on that for April. So I'm excited to continue this journey to sell out of all of the dresses and hit my goals in 2022. My goal for April is to sell 70 dresses. 70 dresses, okay? So weekly, I'm going to be coming to you all and showing you the progress, because this brand is not just mine, y'all. It's our brand. I really value your opinions. I value your input. And I'm super excited about this journey as we make by Iman Akilah a household line. Go to Instagram and go to TikTok and follow us, because I will be showing you the journey from from the 1st to the 15th. I'll be showing you my journey on what I do to design that new dress as we roll out our new dress that drops on the 15th. And if you have not already, then you want to go ahead and sign up to get a free headband. Go ahead and get yourself one. You deserve it, okay? Get yourself a headband. I keep looking over here because I want to make sure I do not forget. Get yourself a headband. Our homepage now, you can shop by colors. You can shop by dress. So we're making things as easy as possible for you all. And we are also cutting down our lead time. I think it's important for you all, if you got my email yesterday, I want you all to remember and to know, we are a slow fashion brand, okay? I am a woman of one. And we, of course, have seamstresses, but I'm a woman of one. So as a slow fashion brand, it's important to me for, of course, to get your items to you as quickly as I possibly can. But if you have a event coming up or an event coming up, please note on your order to place a rush order, okay? Place a rush order, which cuts down your lead time from 7 to 10 days to 2 to 4 days. If you have an event coming up and it is longer and it's coming up sooner than the 7 to 10 days, place a rush order so we can get that out to you all. Of course, we have our customized dress if you need something longer. If you want it shorter, you know, I'm all with the shorter. Then you can get that as well. Just go to our custom dress tab on our website. And I think that's it, y'all. It's been an amazing month. I'm super excited about what happened, our growth, and what we have been able to accomplish this month. And I know that we will definitely hit our goals in April. Hold me accountable, y'all. It's 70 dresses. We're going to sell 70 dresses in April. That's our goal. That's what we're going to do. So thank you all so much for tuning in. Get to Instagram, get to TikTok, find us at by Iman Akilah. And remember, sis, slay every day. Until next time.